Good morning, my dear student. Today I am going to start scalar product or dot product of two vectors. Dot product is always a scalar. All of you know the scalar quantity. So, dot product of two vectors is the product of magnitude of magnitude of two vectors, and a smaller cosine angle between them. Vector A represented by OA, vector B represented by vector OB. Therefore, dot product of two vector A dot B साफ साफ दिखना चाहिए डॉट है, अब ये डॉट प्रोडक्ट होगा, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. Product of magnitude of two vectors and a smaller cosine angle between them. Therefore, A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. We can also write BA cos theta A into component of vector B along the direction of A. Component of B along the direction of A. In this case, vector B into magnitude of vector A, component of vector A along the direction of B. So that A component of vector A, component of vector B along the direction of vector A. Therefore, we can say vector B is equal to A dot B is equal to AB cos theta, or we can also say BA cos theta. सुनाई दे रहा है? B into component of vector A along the direction of vector B. Then we can write B into A cos theta. Now the few example of the dot product for two vectors. Then work done is equal to force dot displacement. Work done is equal to force dot displacement. This was the dot product. Only we apply the cos theta. Don't write sign. Example based on the dot product. Examples based on the dot product. Example based on the dot product is equal to work done. All of you know that work done is equal to force dot displacement. Power is equal to force dot velocity vector. Displacement is a vector, force is a vector, velocity is a vector, force is a vector. Magnetic flux, magnetic field into area vector. These are the examples based on electric flux, electric field into area vector. These are the examples based on dot product of two vector. Is it clear? Now properties. First one properties. Dot product of two vector obeys commutative law. First one obeys. Dot product of two vector obeys commutative law. All of you know the commutative law. जानते हो ठीक नहीं जानते हो? Therefore, A dot B is equal to B dot A. B dot obeys. Second one, distributive law. All of you know the distributive law from algebra. Distributive law. Dot product of three vector obeys the distributive law. Therefore, A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot. Third one, very important property. Dot product of two vector with itself gives square of its magnitude. Dot product of two vectors. Dot product of two vector with itself gives square of its magnitude. Dot product. Third one, dot product of two vector with itself. Product of two vector with itself. With itself gives square of its magnitude. Gives square of its magnitude. Therefore, A dot A, very important, mod of A into cos 0 degree is equal to, because they are the two parallel vectors. Yes. Same way, in the same way, I cap dot I cap equal to 1. Magnitude of unit vector 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 3 or 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. J dot J is equal to 1. K dot K is equal to, so you have to learn this one property. I dot I is equal to 1. J dot J is equal to 1. K dot K is equal to 1. Dot product of two vector with itself gives square of its magnitude. Or dot product of two parallel vector. For two parallel vectors, theta is equal to 0 degree. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, suppose A and B are parallel to each other. In that case, mod of A mod of B into 1 is equal to A. If it is an anti-parallel vector, then for anti-parallel vectors, theta is equal to 180 degree. Cos 180 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, A dot B is equal to minus AB. Minus AB. Is it clear? Now, how can we multiply dot product of two mutually perpendicular vector is equal to 0. Fourth one is also very, very most important. Third is very, very important. Fourth, dot product of two mutually perpendicular vector. Fourth one point. Fourth point. Dot product of two mutually perpendicular vector two mutually perpendicular vector is equal to 0 is equal to 0. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? 0 because two vector are right angle to each other. Theta is equal to 90. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, A dot B is equal to mod of A mod of B into cos 90 degree. Therefore, cos 90 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by A dot B is equal to 0. Modulus of A into modulus B into 0 is equal to 0. In the same way, we can write vector I dot j, x axis, y axis are mutually perpendicular to each other. So that theta is equal to 90. Cos 90 is equal to 0. So I dot j is equal to 0. Similarly, j dot k 0. Jiten, are you able to understand? J dot k is equal to 0. Y axis, Z axis are mutually perpendicular to each other. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Cos 90 is equal to 0 degrees. Therefore, J dot k is equal to J dot I. J dot I is equal to 0. J dot I is equal to 0. Z axis x axis are mutually perpendicular to each other. Therefore, cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, their magnitude is equal to 0. I dot j is equal to 0. J dot k is equal to 0. K dot I is equal to 0. J dot I is equal to 0. K dot j is equal to 0. I dot k is equal to 0. Same way, I dot I is equal to 1, J dot j is equal to 1, K dot k is equal to 1. So that we can multiply in this way. Now, how can you find the angle between, how can you multiply the dot product in the component form? In the component form. 5th number point multiplication dot product in a rectangular component. How can you multiply? Therefore, vector A is equal to I dot Ax plus J dot Ay plus J K dot A. All of you know that one. That is the rectangular resolution in 3 dimensions. Similarly, vector B, I cap dx plus J cap dy plus K cap dz. K cap dz. Therefore, A dot B is equal to I Ax plus J Ay plus K Az dot I dx plus J dy plus K dz. अभी आपको बताए हैं I dot I is equal to 1, J dot J is equal to 1, K dot K is equal to 1, I dot j is equal to 0, I dot j is equal to 0, j dot I is equal to 0, j dot j is equal to 1, j dot k is equal to 0. Therefore, A dot B is equal to Ax dx. I dot I 1, j dot j Ay by plus K dot K is equal to 1. Az. मैं चाहूँ तो बहुत न्यूमेरिकल भी बोल सकता हूँ पर अभी नहीं. Now, how can we determine the angle between angle between the two vectors. How can we determine the angle? All of you understand? We can write A is equal to I cap ax plus j cap ay plus k cap az. B is equal to I dot I cap bx plus j cap by plus k cap bz. Now A dot b. देखिए हम यहाँ डॉट लिखे हुए हैं, क्लियर है, शुड बी क्लियर. A dot b I ax plus j by plus k. Then we know that I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, k dot k is equal to 1. Therefore directly multiplied ax bx ay by az bz. Rest component are 0. So no need to write. Now to find the angle between the two vectors, to find the angle between the two vectors, to find the angle between the two vectors. All of you know that A dot to find angle. To find angle between them. Angle between them. A dot B is equal to mod of A mod of B into cos theta. Where theta is the angle between vector A and B. Where theta is the angle between A and B. Therefore, cos theta is equal to A dot B by mod of A mod of B. All of you know. How can you find the mod of A? Mod of A can be determined. Modulus of A is equal to root under ax square plus ay square plus az square. Mod of B is equal to root under bx square plus by square plus bz. Yes, clear? But theta is the angle between A and B. Therefore, theta is equal to cos A dot B by mod of A into mod of. Then we can find the angle between A and B. Thank you. Have a good day.